how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. In this video, I'm going to show you a trick that will allow you to view and recover permanently deleted messages within the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So before we get started, I want to show you how to recover archived messages in case that's what you're looking for. So to do that, open up the Messenger app, then select Menu, and then just select Archive, and you'll see archived messages here. To recover these, simply swipe from right to left, and then select Unarchive, and then when I go back to chats, you can see that that message is right there. Now, if you have a message that's been permanently deleted, there's a chance we can recover that with a tool that Messenger has given us. So to do that, select Menu in the bottom right, then in the menu here, select Settings, and in Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select See More in Account Center. From there, we just want to scroll down and select Your Information and Permissions, and then we want to select Export Your Information. Select that little link button, and it'll open up the browser within the Messenger app to our Facebook account, and we just want to select Create Export, and then select the Facebook account associated with your Messenger account. From there, you can select to external service. If you want to have it emailed to you, I'm just going to select Export to Device. Then in here, scroll down, and the first thing we want to select is Customize Information. Now, the only thing we're really interested in our activity is going to be messages, so I recommend selecting Clear All, and then selecting Messages. You can go through and receive any of this information that you want to, but it's really not going to include your messages. So I'm going to select Clear All for personal information, connections, Clear All, logged information, we can clear all, and then activity messages, we can do that just in case, and in-app messages, and I'll just clear all for everything else. Once you're ready and you have at least messages checked, keep in mind, the more you have checked, the longer this is going to take, and the harder it will be to actually dig into the file and find your messages. Go ahead and select Save. Then you could change the date range. You could do all time if you want to, but you can also do a smaller date range. If the deleted message was not deleted too long ago, then I recommend keeping the format the same. And media quality, you can lower this if you want it to be a smaller file, but that's just going to be any media, GIFs, images, things like that. So scroll down, select Start Export. Go ahead and enter your Facebook password. It'll then bring you back to the Export Your Information, and you'll see the requested report right there. So give it some time. They're compiling this data for you. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email to the email address that you entered in, as well as you can go back to this section and find it here. Now, once your data is ready, you'll get an email that says that it's ready to download. You can also go back to the Your Information and Permissions sections, then select Export Your Information. And then once it loads, you'll see Available Downloads. And all you need to do is select Download next to the one that we just made, and then download one more time. It's going to download it. Go ahead and save it to your phone. Now, once it downloads, you'll see it. It'll be named Facebook with your username, and it's going to be a zip file. Now, on Android and iPhone, all you need to do to unzip a zip file is select it. It'll process it, and then you'll see a folder that is named the same as the zip file. So you can open up the folder, and then you'll see the information that we've downloaded. Go to Your Facebook Activity, select that. And then if you selected messages correctly, you'll find messages. And then once in messages, I recommend just looking through these. Inbox might have a lot of the chats that you're looking for. I found in Cutover, it'll bring up a folder for the different individuals that I chatted with. And if I select in and then select messages, I can zoom in and see what was sent. So this was a test account where I sent my live location. And with the other one, you can see that I sent some messages to them and back. So you can see the messages when they were sent and the contents of them. So just go through that data, and you're just going to have to zoom in. It's not very user-friendly, but this is the best we have to see and find any deleted messages on our Messenger account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.